strong.
Hello, welcome friends in our channel Smart Study with V. Today we are going to discuss about operation on integers. In this video especially we are going to discuss how to multiply and divide the integers and what is the changes in sign. Look at some examples are here. Negative 4 multiply 6. Negative 7 multiply negative 9. Negative and negative 5 multiply negative 8. Some students they get answer in multiplication but they confused what we write here, plus sign or minus sign. So for this problem we are having this trick, very simple and unique trick is here. So in this video we are going to discuss how to use this trick to get the correct answer. Here first question, negative 8 multiply 5. So first we have to tell them, first multiply the numbers. 8 5 ja 40. We write here answer 8 5 ja 40. What will be the sign here? Negative sign or positive sign? Some students they get confusion here. What we write here? So here simple solution. This trick, 2 times negative and 1 is positive. So only how to use this trick? Only we have to match the sign here. This is negative sign and 5 there is no sign, that means here is positive sign. What is the remaining one? Remaining one is negative. So we write here negative. That is the correct answer by using this trick. Look at here, negative 8 multiply 5, we get answer negative 40. Next question, 8 multiply negative 5. First we have to say, tell them simply multiply. 8 5 is 40. Again here answer is 40. So what will the sign here? Negative sign or positive sign? Only we have to only match this sign, positive sign, and second one is negative sign. What is the remaining sign is negative. So we write here negative. 8 multiply negative 5, we get answer negative 40. Very simple trick is here. Now see this next question, negative 2 multiply negative 8. First we have to multiply this 8 and 2. 8 2 is 16. We get 16. What is here sign? Positive sign or negative sign? This trick will give the answer. So match this sign. This is minus negative sign and this is negative sign. What is the remaining sign is here? Positive. So we get positive 16. That means minus 2 multiply minus negative 2 multiply negative 8, we get positive 16. Now see the next question, 9 multiply negative 6. First we simply multiply 9 6 are 54. What will the sign here? Positive or negative? This trick will tell the answer. 9, that there is no sign, that means positive. Match the sign, positive. And 6 sign is negative. So what is the remaining sign is negative. So that's why we get negative 54. 9 multiply by negative 6, we get negative 54. The question is negative 1 multiply negative 7. Simply first we multiply 7 1 is 7. We get 7. What is the sign is here? Negative or positive? Only simply we match the sign. Negative sign is matching. This negative sign is matching. Remaining sign is positive. That's why we write here positive. We get positive 7. Look at here is 3 numbers. Negative and negative 1 multiply negative 2 multiply negative 3. Here is 2 continuous sign. First we change this 2 continuous sign in single sign. Remember this one. First we change this one 2 continuous sign in single sign. So how we can change? So this trick also help us to change in single sign. Only you have to match this one. This is negative is matching. This negative is matching. That means remaining sign is positive. So that's why we are writing positive 1. And remaining part is negative 2 multiply negative 3. Only in this line we have only changed this 2 continuous sign in single sign. So this trick also helps us to change it single sign. Now multiply only 2 numbers here. This positive 1 and negative 2. 2 ones are 2 simply. What will the sign here? match this one again. This is negative sign is matching, positive sign is matching, remaining sign is negative. That's why we write here negative 2, and remaining part is negative 3. Now simply again multiply 3 2 just 6. What sign will be here? Again match these two signs are negative here. This negative is matching, this negative is matching, remaining sign is positive. So we get positive 6. Our answer is positive 6 is here. Now see in the division. So first we have to say them. Simply first we divide the numbers. 8 divided by 4. We get answer 2. And what will the sign here? So this trick also help us to put here sign. Only match the sign here. 8 there is no sign, that means positive sign, it is matching. And 4 sign is negative, it is also matching. What is the remaining sign here is negative. So that's why we are writing here negative 2. 8 divided by negative 4, we get answer negative 2. Here is next question, negative 32 divided by negative 8. First we simply do the division. 32 divided by 8. 8 4 is 32. We get answer 4. And what sign will be here? Only match this sign. So first negative is matching. Here this sign is negative is matching. Remaining sign is positive. That's why we are getting positive. So that means by negative 32 divided by negative 8, we get answer positive 4. Now look at here. Negative and negative 20 divided by negative and negative 5. Here is two continuous sign. First we change into single sign. Here is two continuous sign. Here is also two continuous sign. This trick also help us to change in single sign. So how this negative is matching, this negative is matching, remaining sign is positive. So we write here positive 20, or we can write simply 20 also. Then division. So here is also 2 negative, remaining sign is positive. So simply we can write 5 also. So this is very simple. 20 divided by 5, we get answer 4. Here is next question, negative 72 divided by 9. So simply first we do division. So 72 divided by 9. So we get answer 8. So what sign it will be here? We get answer from here. Match this negative sign. 9 there is no sign, that means positive sign. Remaining sign is negative. So we are getting negative 8. So this is the last question. Negative 108 divided by negative 12. First simply we divide 108 divided by 12. So we get answer 9. What will the sign here? Only match. Simply we match this negative is matching, this negative is matching, remaining sign is positive. So we get answer positive 9. So this is very simple and very unique trick. In the multiplication and division, simply the student do the multiplication and division, they generally do mistake by putting negative and positive sign. This is very simple and unique trick. This will help us to put the correct sign. So that's it in this video. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.